So in this quick and easy tutorial, I'll be showing you guys how to flip your video camera while doing WhatsApp video call. So if you are new right here, ensure you like this video, drop a comment and also subscribe to this channel. So for you to do this, just simply go to the number you want to call. So right here, I'm on the number. So assuming I want to call this person on a video call, so for you to call the person, click on this call button up here. Once you click on that, you can see we have voice call and we have video call. So it means we are going to click on video call. So once you click on video call, can you see we are already calling the person.